Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to calculate average size of particle from SEM image using ImageJ software. Okay. First download the ImageJ software from Chrome. This one. Download it for Windows. Okay. To download, install this software. Okay. Allow access. Now it's installed. Now open the SEM image from which you want to calculate the average size. So open this PC, download. Okay. So I want to calculate the average size of this sphere nanoparticle. Okay. So first go to analyze, set scale, and click to remove scale. And okay. Click here. This is straight line and measure this scale. Okay. Press shift. Okay. Zoom out. Then again go to analyze, set scale. Okay. Now we know the known distances 10 and unit is micrometer. Okay. Unit may be in nanometer, micrometer. Okay. And then okay. Now go to any particle, press shift and take this type of disc and then press M. Okay. So the average, so the length of this particle is 6.18 micrometer. Then again go to this, Control M, can go to this, Control M, Control M. Select the diameter of particle and then press M. Okay. Press M. Press Control M. Sorry, press Control M. Control M. Simply you can also press M. Okay, take around 40 to 50 particle. So we can make a histogram type graph. And select, press M. Okay, I have taken the 50 points. Okay, simply you can select the points, select the particle and press M. Okay, now we'll learn how to plot this in origin. Okay, so first you can save this file from your save as. Okay, result one. Save. Okay, simply go to edit, copy this one, go to origin. Okay, Control V, delete these three, delete average size, particle size, particle size, nanometer. Okay, go to plot. Okay, plot this distribution. Okay, like this. Now, what is the average size for this? Go to there, result, and summarize result. So the mean is 7.18, means the average size of particle is 7 micrometer for this SM in this SM image. Okay, you can also calculate the average size from here. Select this one, right click, statics on column. Click here, open dialog. Okay, okay. So you can, the mean is 7.10. So you can also calculate from the directly from the origin. Okay. So edit this graph. Click here, you can change the pattern. Okay. You can arrange the size of this according to your convenience. Okay, thank you.